Hello, my name is Ashley Robertson, and in this video I'm going to be talking about my first activity using the book A Bad Case of Stripes by David Shannon. This activity is created for my lower level readers. It is going to address the standard LAFS.3.RL.1.1, which states ask and answer questions to demonstrate understanding of a text, referring explicitly to the text as the basis for your answers. So at the activity or the center, this will already be there. It is a game, a bad case of the stripes game. It will already be at the center, and there will be counting chips there. So those will be the students' game pieces. And the students will take their little baggie with them with their directions and other materials needed. So the directions is the first thing they see, and it says Center 1 instructions. You will be playing a game and answering questions from the book A Bad Case of Stripes. You need to be respectful of students around you by using a level 1 noise level so that other students can concentrate and do the work they need to finish or do. They are to help other students in their group. If they are stuck on a question during playing, they're not going to make fun of a student or tease them because they didn't know the answer to a question that they landed on. When they are finished with the game, they will need to create their own question and use text evidence to answer it and provide the page number of their answer. So this is the little printout that I created. It says create your own question and provide the answer using text evidence. This has helped students comprehend because they are coming up with the question and finding the answer themselves. Some of the questions that are on the game piece, like the first question is, what was your favorite part of the story? So that's something simple and easy to answer. And then others are, like the last one, it says, how does Camellia change from the beginning to the end of the story? This might get them thinking a little bit more. But the direction says 2 to 4 players, which it will be a group. It can be more than that. Each player will roll the dice. Whoever rolls the higher number will go first. They're going to roll the dice and move that many spaces. They're going to answer the question on the square, and then their turn is over. Students are going to be graded on this. This is the rubric. The total points possible are 12. They can get 12 points. They're going to be graded on interaction with the game and classmates. They're going to get a 0 if they don't participate or they're disrespectful to their peers. And then a 2 is little participation when answering questions or disrespectful to peers. And 4 would be they participate, they help others, and they are respectful to peers. Another thing they will be graded on is following directions. 0 for not following any directions, a 2 for students who followed some directions, a 4 for student followed all directions given, and then another thing they will be graded on is their question creation. The student did not create a question, so they would get a 0. If the student created a question but did not answer it and provide the page number, they will get a 2. If the student created a question, answered it, and provided the page number of the answer, they will get full credit for that portion of the rubric. I chose this activity for my lower level students because it doesn't require a lot of reading. It requires a lot of talking and learning verbally from others around them. That's what I got for my first